iFilters well water whole house filtration system. NSF-approved, built in the United States, and boasts KDF filtration technology and a 30-micron removable, washable sediment filter. High-quality construction with full 1-inch size inflow and outflow ports. This dual-chamber filtration system removes 99% of impurities, improves the quality of drinking water, lengthens the life of washing machines and dishwashers, and provides superior odor and chlorine reduction. The chambers are built with a material that are 100% bacteria and chemical resistant, extending the life of the entire filtration system. Here are some pros. Thoughtful, quality materials, 28 pounds, easy installation, bacteria and chemical resistant, permanent washable sediment filter. And here are some cons. Doesn't filter iron, water tables went unchanged, extra installation and plumber municipality inspection costs.